Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow of Kit. We've been tidying up the plot and I've pulled up my main crop potatoes and I'm left with empty bed now. So what I plan to do today is to sow some seeds. I've got quite a few to sow. I've got some onion, Senshu yellow, which is sow from August to September, so we'll get them in. They'll be ready for summer cropping next year. We've got Chinese kale, again April to September. This one you can sow this. This is fast growing, really good for you. I've not tried these before, so that'll be interesting. I've got lettuce, winter imperial. This says you can sow it from August to September. Very hardy butterhead type. Be ready to harvest March to May the next year. Beetroot, bolt hardy. It says sow March to July, but I'm going to chuck some in because you can harvest beetroot at whatever size you like. So you can harvest them smaller if you want to. Again, same with the carrots, March to July. We're in mid-August, so hopefully it'll be alright. Again, I'll harvest them early if I need to. And just a leftover pack of spinach. This is foreign, so it's Spinacha oleracea. So we'll try them. So anyway, I hope you can hear me. I've got my microphone which came with my phone, so I don't know how good it is. And I'm hoping you can hear me. It's quite windy. So I've been preparing the bed. I've just give it a quick rake over. So we should be ready to go. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll get started. So I'll get back to you in a second.
Now guys, so I'm just giving this a quick rake over. Just to level it off a bit and get rid of any big lumps and bits and bobs from in here. Right, so that's about done. So I'm just using this bit of wood to make a drill to sow the seeds into. I found this is probably the easiest way to do it. It gives you a nice straight line. So now I'm sowing the seeds, trying to do them about an inch or so apart, but it doesn't matter too much because I'll be thinning these out later anyway. So this is spinach I'm sowing here, but it's basically the same for most seeds. Just sow them about an inch or so apart and about an inch deep, more or less. And then we just cover them up, just push the compost back over them and give them a gentle pat down. And then you can give them a water, but my soil's quite damp, so I'm not going to bother watering them. And then I normally do this with most of my sowings. I'll just run a piece of string along. It just lets me know where they are and also helps deter the cat from digging in there. So I'll just put a bit of bamboo or a stick at either side and tie a bit of string across. And then last but not least, we'll put a label on so we know what we've sown. And I will get a time lapse done of me finishing up and get back to you in a minute.
Alright guys, so I'm done now. So I've got 2 rows of carrots, 2 rows of onions, 2 rows of Chinese kale, 2 rows of beetroot, 2 rows of spinach, and 2 rows of lettuce. So I'll keep you updated and we'll see how they go. Alright guys, so I hope you can see me. I hope I haven't chopped my head off, because this is as far as I can go with my microphone cable. So I've got quite a few seeds in today, so I'm quite happy. So it's just wait and see if the slugs eat them or not. Hopefully not. Hopefully the cat doesn't come in here and dig them all up. She hasn't been in here digging for a while, so I'm hoping it'll be okay. But anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't done so already. And again, thank you for all your nice comments on my videos. I really do appreciate it. But for now guys, we'll see you later. I'll catch you on the next episode. Have a great week. See you later.